Okay, my name is Sandy. Today I want to explain about basic table setup. The first I want to tell about name of item. Okay, I want to show you the item and the name of the F&B item. So this is a dinner plate and this is a dinner knife and this one is dinner fork and this one is water goblet and B&B plate. This one is B&B knife and salt and pepper and sugar bowl, and this one is pass. Okay, next I want to show you how to table setup. So the first one, put the dinner plate one term from the table, this like that, and the dinner knife on the right side of dinner plate, and next put the dinner fork on the left side of dinner plate, and put the water goblet in here, and the salt and pepper in the middle, and sugar bowl and B&B knife and in here. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day.